Start 60, 5 right, good luck. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go 60, 5 right, and 6 left, slowing 50, slight right, slight left into turn square right, 70, turn square left, 70, small crest, into 4 right, under bump, 120, slowing, big jump, 70, turn square right of the crest, and 4 right, and 2 left short, into 3 right short, 50, 6 right, long, 80, bad dip, into crest, and 3 right, short of the crest, 70, turn square left, 170, 6 right to the crest, 30, 3 left short, 60, turn 2 left, of the crest, 100, early 3 right, 30, turn 1 left, of the crest, narrows, and turn square left, uphill, and right of the crest, 100, unseen, 1 right, tightens, 120, crest, 100, double caution, jump, 40, turn, square right, 40, crest, 80, crest, and 6 left, slowing, 40, turn, square right, into crest, 150, turn square left, 100, 4 left, 80, slowing, slight left and turn square right, 100, crest, slowing, 60, square left, 30, crest, 80, turn 1 right of a crest, 230, turn square left, 190, turn square left, 160, crest, 70, finish, 100 to stop. Okay, that's a 3 minute 38.6.